Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Treasure House. Welcome, Treasure Tribe. I am the head honcho, Mrs. T of Mrs. T's Treasures. And today, well, first of all, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. And I apologize, my ring lights are like glaringly stealing the show here. But I mean, it is what it is. So I thought that today we could do an unboxing of that stuff over there. Got a lot left to do, and I've been listing it pretty quickly, but I did go sourcing. I found some more things to put in our store, but the thing with that is I'm going to try to justify it here. There's a lot of hard goods that is in what we brought home from the booth. And so, I'm trying to keep it mixed up, and I mean, I find clothing, I find artwork, I find jewelry, I find lots of other things, but to just focus on one item has a tendency to clog up your store, and then people can't find what they're looking for. And I've got lots of categories in my store, so there you go. That's my justification. My husband doesn't seem to mind, so it's all out of the way, so he doesn't see it all. So anyway, let's get started. Pause. So I hope I can get this angle good here. I'm working with my ring light with a video first time. Oh my goodness, I'm not very technologically advanced here. So be patient with your Mrs. T, shall we? Okay, so like I said, we did go sourcing and we really found some fun stuff. So on to that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the detail on there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's, oh, I'm not showing it. Ha, there it is. The detail on the lampshade is very fun. And there's a finial. Finial. Okay. So, yeah. So, will I ship this? I don't know why not. I'll try it. I'll try anything once. And sometimes I try it twice. But it was such a pretty lamp that I really couldn't, pass it up. This was from our booth, and I will probably go ahead and list this, maybe on Facebook Marketplace. I don't know. It's a golfing mirror. Let me see if I can pull it out here more. A golfing mirror. It's golf themed. So it was in really nice condition. So I picked that up for the booth originally. This we picked up on our sourcing adventures. It's horses, like carousel horses. And it's got a signature right there. Hopefully my ring light is not giving it away, but yeah. I couldn't pass it up. I thought it was really quite interesting. So I picked that up. Will I ship it? Why not? Maybe I'll give them a discount on shipping or something. This is pretty. Look at how pretty that is. Is it a print? It may be, but the matting is really nice, and it's got a little signature over here. I think it, maybe. No, I think it is a print, but it's just lovely. The frame was pretty. Everything about it was really nice. So I picked that up. Pick up a lot of stuff. This is another item that I picked up. It's called The Veranda, and it's signed by Jackie. It's very interesting. The frame is lovely, and I'm trying to get this. So, I mean, it's really gorgeous. The frame is lovely. The matting is beautiful. So, yeah, I picked that up. I'd ship that. I won't take it out of the frame. I'll ship it frame and all. I'm not afraid. This is from our booth. I call it Bloodbath. This is not framed, but it is an original piece, and it's signed down here, I think, is the signature of the artist. This is very interesting. Don't you agree? Very interesting. So, yeah, this is the back. It was a project, a school project. This is very bloody, but creative. Nice use of different materials. A 90. Person got an A. I do know the artist personally. I won't give it away. Let's see. What else? This is going to go on Facebook Marketplace, I think. Because it's just really heavy and it's just really big. And I think I'd have to charge an awful lot for it. This is an antique. It's an antique slicer. Cabbage slicer is what it was used for. I don't know if it was meant for just cabbages, but it's antique. It's very rugged. It still works too. So, yeah, so I think I'm going to put this on Facebook Marketplace and see what happens. Let's see. This came from our booth. It is the heaviest iron I've ever picked up, I think. It's, I think from the 1930s. I am really not sure, but I don't know if it still works or not. But this was in our booth, and I'm going to put it in my store. Okay, and I've got 2 of these cast iron babies, and they're pretty heavy. These came from my booth too, and they've been in my life forever. So I'm really not sure. These irons are just so heavy. The cost of shipping them, I don't know how I would do that. So anyway, moving on to a box. I should probably show you what else is in this bag. Oh, this is from our booth. This is very fun. Isn't that pretty? It's a great canister. And it's marked anchor with an anchor. So it's an anchor hawking piece. And I want to say it's probably 1940s or 1950s. Oh, this is fun. This is from our booth. This is a wedding basket, is what I call them anyway. I don't know if that's actually what it is or not, but it's got a silver basket. Here, this is from our booth. Don't you start. There's nothing out there. See, this is a silver frame. That's my coworker whining. He thinks he sees something. He doesn't. And then this glass insert goes inside. It's just beautiful. And it's got a little wording here. Can I see it? Oh, France. Interesting. I have to look at that a little closer. I never noticed that before. So, and there's that. So pretty. Okay, let me get the bowl in there a little better. There we go. Lovely piece. What else is in here? This doesn't have a signature, but I think this is part of another piece that I've got in my store, going into my store soon. But this came from our booth. You can see the detail in it. Isn't it lovely? It's a really, really pretty piece. I like glass. People have a tendency to stay away from glass, but I like it. Here's another piece. This is, gosh, I think this can go into the oven. Maybe not. I don't know. It's very thick glass, but I don't see a signature, so I don't know if it's ink. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, oven proof. Yep, there you go. Sure is purty. Purty. Okay, so that is that box. And let's do this bag. This came from our thrifting adventures. Put stuff away, try not to break it. Not an easy task, let me tell you. Not for me anyway. All right. Found some more little prints. Well, they're not really prints. They're 3Ds. Aren't they fun? They're for the wino in us. I love them. There's the white. And there's the red. I really like things like this. Let's see. I don't know what that means. They're not marked, but they're fun. And I've sold stuff like that before in my store. They're just really fun, probably mass produced, I don't know, but they're really fun, cute items. I came across these. I've sold this kind of fruit before. These are set up to be ornaments. That is a pear. But I don't know if you can see the I don't know. It's not beading, and it's not done with a push pin. It's coated in this glittery. Here's another pair. But aren't they pretty? Oh my gosh. And I found 4 of these. 3 pairs. Two yellow. 1 green. And 1 apple. I've sold a whole bag of this before. It's just, I was really surprised how quickly it sold out of my store. That was quite, it was lots of different types of fruit pieces. I was really surprised. But I really wasn't surprised because it was so pretty. So I came across this, and I've been looking for it. I came across this, and I thought, well, give this a shot. Okay. artwork. This is a Thomas Kincaid, which I have sold before. Let's see if I can get this. There we go. And there's the plaque for Thomas Kincaid. You might not be able to see that, but it's a really nice print. And like I said, I've sold them before. They kind of fly out of my shelf, and I ship them, no problem. This was really cool. You guys, this is ancient. I mean, look at this. Look at the back of this. How old it is. But look at this. Isn't she lovely? Oh my goodness. I could not leave her behind. I saw her and I thought, oh, yeah. Yep. She's got to go. So she came home with us. And I will put her in our store. This was a surprising item. It's Mikasa. And it's in its own box. And that makes life a lot easier. But there was a surprising side of it, which I was not ready for, but was very happy. So here is the Mikasa bowl. And I don't think it comes with the ribbons, does it? Oh, this shows a handle. This does not have any place for it. Oh, maybe it does. Okay, so it's missing a handle. Oh. Okay, well, this was a surprise in it. Oh, geez, hopefully I'm not breaking it. So the handle is lost. Okay, but this is the surprise. Little glass. They're glass candies for inside the bowl. Oh, this one's broken. Aren't they cool? Oh my gosh, I couldn't believe it. All the work that went into these little candies. And there's a whole bag of them here. So it might have lost its handle, but which is probably not glass anyway, but it gained all these little candies. So that is very exciting to me. And I don't know. I mean, I don't think it's supposed to have a glass handle. I think that's probably plastic, but I'll find out more. But, yeah, I don't think that's a glass handle. That's probably a plastic handle there. Handled basket. I'll have to look into it. But without the handle, that will bring the price down. But I'm going to sell it with those. I think I'm going to sell it with those glass candies. Those are so pretty. I don't know. I have not decided yet about that. So that's it for there. I mean, there's a lot more to go. If you can see over there. I don't know if you can see over there or not, but let me take you out. Okay, I'm going to take you out and turn. See, there's still more to go. That over there is our, this is all packaging material. This is packaging material. This is packaging material. This is packaging material. These are, this is a box from our booth. This is the box we just went through. And then these are boxes from our booth. So it's coming down. Oh, this is boxes from our booth. It's coming down. That is a storage chest from ancient days. So I'm coming along. You know, like I said, I did go thrifting. So don't scold me, but all hard goods is all the bowls and the trinkets and stuff that were in our booth. It would, I think, bore people to go through all that if they don't know that I have categories in my store, which I do. I've got a jewelry category, I've got a book category, you know, I've got all the categories, clothing. So anyway, okay, everybody, let's see. Oh gosh, we're going on 19 minutes here, so I think we better turn it off for now. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And remember, it might be trash to some, but to Mrs. T, it's always treasure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share and like and do all that kind of stuff. All right, and subscribe. It's free. Thank you. Bye.